The Opossum Bag is a large size shoulder bag with a unique diagonal pocket across the front, and there's also one on the back. The pocket secures with a magnetic snap, and the Opossum Bag came about because I was challenging myself to come up with a nice looking bag that didn't require any purse hardware except for the magnetic snaps. There is two different options for the strap attachment. One is for the strap to be sewn along the side edges of the bag, and the second option in the pattern instructions is for the strap to be sewn to the top seam of the bag. Here's another look at that diagonal front pocket, and here's my magnetic snap holding it closed. The inside of the bag also has a magnetic snap for the closure, and on the inside of the bag it features a slip pocket on either side. The Opossum Bag features full color step-by-step instructions with a photograph for just about every step, and the video online workshop is 1 hour and 18 minutes long.